Aloha Small Business Ohana. I want to talk today to you about planning for 2024, but not just marketing planning. It's planning as a small business owner. It's not just about tactics and knowing what campaign is going to run in what months or what quarter or whatever it is that you may have that is focused on your tactics. It's pulling back and looking from a broader lens, right? You've heard, see the forest, not the trees. That's what we need to do. We need to talk about strategy. We need to talk about branding and messaging. We need to talk about your vision and your mission, your purpose-driven mission. And that's what I'm going to do next week. December 18th through the 22nd, I am hosting a 5-day workshop. It's only 30 minutes a day at 11:30 a.m. Central Time. And what we're going to be doing is we are going to plan 2024 like the amazing small business owners that we are. There is a small fee, $50 per person. And if you cannot make all of the sessions live, you will be able to access the replays within an hour as long as my tech gods are working along with me. So instead of avoiding, instead of not knowing what to do or how to do it, or instead of just not wanting to do planning alone, and trust me, you guys, I get it. There are things that I don't want to do, but they're really important for your business. So let's work on your business together. Let's get planning for 2024 done. I hope to see you next week. Let's do this. Mahalo.